Alright folks, welcome to another unboxing. I know that sometimes these things are not as popular as they used to be, but with innovative technology, I like to see them, and I hope that you do too. This is made by AnySpace, and it's a smart smoke and CO alarm, okay? Carbon monoxide alarm. I believe that the difference with this is, and I'm longing to try it, is that it's a hardwired installation. I have just the place to install it in my network room behind here. So without any delay, I'm going to take pictures. I took the plastic off, but I have not opened it up. Let's read the side real quick. It says 5-in-1 smoke and CO alarm with motion alerts, temperature and humidity monitoring direction from your phone. Stop danger before it starts with proactive alerts sent to your phone. Hush false alarms with a touch of the button directly from your phone. So the back says 10-year life, voice alerts, hush alerts, alert push notifications, CO alerts, and motion detector. So it even tells you who's coming and going, which is great because it's going to be in my network room, and I don't want people, especially my kids, in there. Again, if you see me pausing during the unboxing, it's because I'm taking photos which are part of the entire written review that you will see using the link in the description of this video at the-gadgeteer.com. So as you can see here, as I pause to take a photo, it comes in a plain box, nothing special. Let's open it up, put that aside, and on the top, and I'll stand it up for you to be able to see that there's a user manual here. Pull it out, and there is a device. So that's kind of pretty, isn't it? That's a nice looking device. Now I'm looking at this. I probably should have used my overhead camera for you to get a better view, but you get to see it nevertheless. We take it out the box. Let's see here. Plastic on the other side. Here's the device. Plastic. Throwing the box down. So here's what comes with it. There's a device. Comes with some hardware, anti-hardware. Comes with a warning label. Comes with some connections. Now, it's got black, white, and brown. From my knowledge, usually, let me bring that down so you can see it. I'm sorry. It has a plug on the end from this. Remember I told you it was hardwired. I would think that without looking at the instructions, black is live, white is neutral, brown will be ground. It may be different once I read the instructions. And a mounting plate. So this type of mounting plate will go on top of a electrical box. That would be my guess. Let's look at the back of it. The front's got a screen. It's got a test button. Nothing will work because it has to be hardwired to AC. On the back, you see the plug where this would go in and hardwired to AC. I have an electrical box. I would have to see how this here marries up to the box. But obviously, once you screw this into the box, this is going to be an installation, right? A slide-in sort of situation. I can see a clip at top, clip at bottom. I don't want to really slide it in now, right? Because I need to check the review. It says, I'm trying to read that this way up. So it's like that. So actually you can see it has a clip there, and you simply put it in and you turn it. And it should clip. There it goes, right? I'm not going to permanently do it now, and it is the flip side that you do it on. So you actually do it on this side, right? And I don't want to clip it in. Like I said, I don't have a problem taking it out. And then there's a tab you pull here that lets it go live. I can tell from here it has battery indicators. So there's the open this, and it came with it two AA batteries that are backup battery. So the AnySpace place, I'm going to install it. I'll take pictures of where I'm installing it, get it all installed, download the app, and then you'll see the entire review at the-gadgeteer.com. Make sure you click on that link below so you can read all about it and get my final thoughts. Catch you soon at the next video, maybe unboxing, who knows.